Hi, hi guys. Well, I mm, so I have a few claws that I'm going to show you and rate. Sadly, I don't have a what is my camera doing? Sadly, I don't have a video to show you guys. So yeah, that would be joy. Oh no, itching myself with this. Guys, look at me itch myself with this. Like I'm trying to itch myself and I'm just scratching myself. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. But here are the claws. Very fun and how easy it is to pick up things. Like it's just like an extent. There we go. It's just like an extension to your arm. Like look at this. Easily grab that. And yeah, my gosh, found the tripod and it's not working. Yeah, these are pretty good. I'd rate them a solid 8 out of 10. Tell me what you would rate in the comments. Also, go check out, dang, what's his name? I'm gonna go ask. Just talk to him. It's, Danger is Cooking. Thought it was Dangerous Cracked, but that's his old channel. Go to Dangerous Cooking right now. Shout out to him. He's a great cousin and a great YouTuber. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one.